Hi, this is Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, and doing a quick walk around a rare 1942 civilian model Harley Knucklehead. Why is it rare? Well, 1942 is when America entered the World War II, and all the production went from civilian stuff to military. So this is a really rare one. 1942 Knucklehead. So what do we know about it? Well, this is a pretty one. It's been painted. It was custom painted, red and white. The previous owner was a pilot for Pan American, and they had red and white colors, so he painted his. Much of this does appear to be genuine and real Harley Davidson. That's real fenders, real lights, real horn, missing the mounting bracket underneath, real headlight. Let's see if we can get a picture of the guide. No, it's not. Springs, a Harley front end. This is a Hollywood bars. I don't know if you notice those, they cross over here. So it's called a Hollywood bar. It was a style, was kind of in vogue back then. These are real ones. The speedometer is not Harley Davidson. That's an aftermarket speedo somebody put in there. Hard to find a real 42. So as you can hear, it runs rather smoothly. The rocket muffler, the oil bag. Someone put a more modern 6-volt or 12-volt battery in there. This has been converted. So we come over to this side, and you can see it's got a Cycle Electrics 12-volt generator in there. So the lights are stronger and better. The real 42. 4-speed shifter. So right now it's in neutral. It would slide forward into first, back down to second, back to third, and back to fourth. Quick clutch. Traditional rocker. These are not original Harley pads. They would have been rubber. Someone put these aftermarket deluxe alloy ones. It's a reproduction coil. It's not an original one. That's a real taillight, real Harley. A guide. You can hear it. So a lot of people don't realize that with these, there's twists on the left and the right. The right obviously is the throttle, just like on the modern bike. Nice and responsive. But on the left, you can advance and retard the ignition. So I'm going to walk around and show you that. The left side, so these are cables, they're all internal, go down and inside, and then pop out. But here I can retard the ignition. See if you can hear it. And then advance. Can you hear it? Sounds a little crisper. So what we're doing is we're moving the timing here. We can advance and retard it. So if you can watch this post, I'm going to see if I can do that with my other hand. Let's advance. See it's moving. Look where the horn looks. So I'm going right for here. So if you watch this post, you'll actually move forward and backward. So that's retarded. It's advanced. You hear the motor pick up. And retarded. You hear it? So it's flattened out. And watch as we advance it. Listen to the engine. So that's advanced and retard. Now that became automatic on most of the modern bikes. And inside here is the points and the condenser. So there you have it. This is a rare civilian 1942 Harley Davidson Knucklehead, and yes, it is for sale. It's one of my bikes. I've decided to let it go. I've got other machines I need to work on, so too many in the garage, can't keep them all. This is Buzz Kanter, American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, saying thanks.